Okay, let's see.
We're putting a mask on me. It's my first time.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited. And I just squirted it out.
I know. I don't know. Let's see what's going on in here.
What color is it? What color is it?
Well, it's pearl, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like see-through or something.
You guys fell. I'm sorry.
Oh, I gotta put it on there.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You think it's gonna fall?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's see.
The behind music is Daddy watching a movie or something. Watching a show or something.
So this is for you. Oh my gosh. Because you're like tiny. And your hair is in the way.
Scared.
Wait, come here. I think we're gonna have to cut it off.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can open it. And we're gonna have to cut it to fit your face because your face is like tiny. Hold on, turn around. Let's see. How am I gonna do it if I can't see? Gonna have to improvise here because this is for an adult and not a kid. That's why we shouldn't keep it on too long. I'm just afraid it's gonna. Okay. Sure. There you go.
You need to show Daddy.
There you go. Go show Daddy.